If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need elite credit and investment advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are Elite Credit Investment Advisors, also known as Elite Consultants. And we're here today to talk about the $500 daily trading practice that we're going to demonstrate today. We like to try to set a goal of between $100 and $500 a day trading the NASDAQ, trading the stock market futures. And our program, our 30-day program that we feature, specializes in taking you 30 days from day one, week one, day two, week two, day three, all the way through the fourth week, where you graduate. By the time you graduate, if you are interested in trading real money, then you can get your feet wet with as little as $50, and you can trade $12.50 futures, $20 futures for $50. Remembering that our results are not typical. We're not giving financial advice. We're not giving any type of advice that would be considered financial, or we're purely educational. We're here to show you what we do and what we have done and what we've learned over the years. And if you can glean a little bit from that and learn from it, see through our step-by-step process, then that's what we're here for. Today, I've got Miss Emma with me. She's been with me over 10 years, and she's going to tell you a little bit about our program and what to expect. All right, Emma, take it away.
Hello, good morning. And yeah, we just did a paper trading today. Our program basically we're gonna give you the learning on how to do the trading, and we provide education on how to to learn the step-by-step process of the trading, and we will allow you to trade on paper so that there's no risk involved. And from that, when you're ready, our team will be ready to assist you as well. So we provide training every day, and we let you experience how it works. Learning in trading in every way that we can provide any education that we experience about this program. So let's stay tuned with us as the expert will continue to discuss our program. And good morning.
All right, so I'm just going to pull the screen up here. What we have today is we have our Tradingview practice screen she had mentioned earlier. You get upon enrollment with our class, you get a free Tradingview platform, and it costs you nothing. You can enroll in our class for $497. It's a 30-day program. We will take you step by step through all of the ins and outs and ups and downs and the processes. You'll get a class syllabus with what you expect from each day and each week. And you will be practicing trading live with us, similar to what we're doing today, but more one-on-one through Zoom classes. We'll give you some homework to do. You'll get to practice with all of the tools and bells and whistles and things of that nature. I want everybody to remember, though, as we're going into this training, that we also will show you live trades with our Ninja Trading platform that is real money. And I will show you step by step as I make a trade and explain why I'm getting in, why I'm getting out, what my indicators are, those sort of things. Then I will show you the money afterward, the account balance when we start, account balance when we finish. I'll transfer that money off the platform and into the bank. You get to see the whole process. So we're not trying to hold anything back. We're 100% transparent. What we're recommending here is we're starting off trading exactly like we would be trading in our real account. So we have set our balance for $500, and you can reset your balance at any point for any amount. That will become necessary a little bit later on. But for today, we've set a pre-organized account of $500 on the paper trading. We're watching the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures. It's one of my favorites. I trade all the micros and the minis primarily because it doesn't cost us much money to trade. Okay, that's what we're doing. So we are watching this chart, and we're seeing some rapid escalation and devaluing going on. So that's called volatility. And that's what we want. At the end of the day, that's what we want. Okay, we started with $500. I'm going to turn around here. I've got my large screen pulled up over here, so I will look at the actual trade going on. And I've already opened my trade envelope. So I'll do that again so you can see it. I'm clicking the trade button here. That opens up this buy sell order box. The very first thing I want to do is click the take profit and click the stop loss, because when we enter a trade, we do not want to do that unprotected. We want to protect where we're going in with the least amount of loss, because if it goes against us, we may end up losing as much as more than we want to put in it. So we're going to start with 1 unit. I'm starting with 1 unit, so my risk is $25. Okay. Once again, this is live market trading data. This is exactly the same data that you would be seeing if you were trading real money. And I'm watching this green indicator pull up on this candle right here. And I'm going to go ahead and slide over here. I've entered and clicked this take profit, and I've clicked the stop loss. And I'm going to enter the trade. As soon as it gives me one more indicator, I always make sure that it gives me 2 good solid indicators. It's giving me one, and then it's trying to retrace a little bit. So I'm going to make sure it's made up its mind that it truly does want to go upward, which is called long. So we're not trading short. There it is. There's my buy indicator. I'm going to send the order in. You're going to see it right there. I'm going to slide my stop loss down to $50. So the maximum I can lose in this trade will be $50 if everything went south, which I don't expect it to. All right. And then I'm going to take this as my profit. I'm going to take this down to $20. Okay. Because $20 is a little quicker to make than 25. So there we go. So at the end of the day, we are watching this candlestick go from where it is, and right now it's break even, $1.50 profit, right? Now it's $3 profit. If it's in the green, you see my little cursor right here, it's $5 profit. Okay, it's climbing, $8 profit. If we got out right now, we'd have $9, $8, $9 to the good, $9.50. We're having a little faith here. We're going to have faith that it's going to climb on up and cross that $20 mark and make us some $20 profit. Okay, $20 doesn't sound like a lot of much, but if you're starting off and you're trying to make $100 a day, then you'd make 5 trades at $20. You're there. You can go home. All right. Also, it's critical, and what I want you to understand at this point is that you work the trade and you stick to your plan. If you tend to only lose $50, then set your stop losses and don't lose more than $50. If you intend to lose, if you've got a $500 account, you can lose up to $250. Well, when it gets around $250, get out, trade another day. You do not have to trade. So now we're seeing $13 profit, $16.50 profit. Oh, it took profit. So the take profit order executed just like it's supposed to. Now let's look at our balance down here. We started off, everybody knows we started off with $500. And if you'll notice, the account balance now has $519.98. So the realized P&L, which is realized profit and loss, shows we literally just made $19.98. That's what you do. That's how you do it. Now, that you can do that 5 times a day, make $100 a day. Now, I'm a little more adventurous than that, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back over to my screen, and I'm going to change those units from 1 unit to 25 units. But that is all I'm going to change. That's going to give my investment. Now I'm risking $625 instead of $25. I'm going to click my take profit, click my stop loss, get ready for my indicators. Nothing changes about what I do except the units. And I want to make more money quicker, so I change the units. Now, how long it's going to take you to want to do that? It might be a day. It might be a week of making 5 trades a day, make $100 a day for 5 days. I tell everybody that if you start our program for $500 within 30 days, you will be, this has been no exception so far, by the end of that 30 days, you'll be making $500 a day by the time you graduate, if you choose to trade live money. If you never choose to trade live money, you will have the education and you will have the knowledge to make that money, even if you choose not to get in. So what I just did is I'm going to drop my volumes down to 15. How about 10? Let's go with 10. We're going to start a little smaller. It's telling me I don't have enough money to buy 15 units. So we're going to start with 10, see if it'll do that for us, okay? Again, watching my indicators for a green startup on the candle so that it gets a little momentum and it's heading upward. I'm a lot more inclined to think that that momentum is going to continue upward than if I get in and then it continues down. I don't want that. So I'm watching this is called a retracement. I'm watching my red candle come down. I have increased my units to 10. So I was risking $25 earlier. Naturally, I'm risking $250 now. But the great thing is that will mean that as my candle goes up, then my chances, instead of making 20 bucks, I'm going to be making 200 in that same purchase. So let's go ahead and get in the market. Let's give it another try right here. Didn't want to kickstart into gear. There it goes. That looks like a green indicator there. We'll give it one more. And then we'll try it, and we'll see if we can make a little more profit this time than $20. So there we go. Now we're in the market. So it's $120 this time. All right. So this time, as it goes up, let's drop that down to $100. Make it real easy. So we made $20 earlier. We made the same exact trade, but we'd like to take home 100. And let's just say our goal is $100. Once again, you can make 5 trades and make 20 bucks, not risk as much, have a little more fun. You have to watch the charts a little longer, but that doesn't hurt anything. That's called sweat equity. Put some time and sweat into it. Or you can make 1 trade for 5 units, watch it climb the exact same amount of distance on the chart, and when this one cancels out, this is 102 bucks. So we're seeing a negative 77, 75, 67, but it's steadily increasing up here. See there? It's flirting with this right around this 5 point, which is fine. And we're going to watch it go up and down just like we did before. But this time we're standing to make $100 instead of 20 bucks. So let's watch it. This is the actual process that you're going to go through time and time again. If your units were, instead of 5, if they were 50, you'd be looking at $1,250 invested. If units were 500 instead of 50 on the way up, you'd be looking at 12,000. So it's just a good, smooth, even amount, exponentially making more, risking more, making more with the same amount of travel. Now, what we've got to have as we're watching this downward candlestick right here is we've got to know that thing's going to rebound and come back up based on what we've done earlier. Okay, what we did earlier was we did market research for the day before. Let's have a look at that real quick. Oh, my phone's ringing. Hold on just a minute. I wonder where that music was coming from.
You're muted, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Hello. All right, awesome. So I got another meeting I'm going to have to pop off and go to real quick. So we're going to leave the live training on Tradingview, but we'll hit it again hard tomorrow, and we'll, in addition to the Tradingview, I will make sure that you have some live NinjaTrader data to look at, and you can see the actual account balance and how I transfer the money out of the NinjaTrader account back to the bank. So with that, I am going to play our little outro here real quick. Jump off. I had overscheduled myself and forgot I had another meeting coming up. And no worries, we'll be back tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel, possibly 10 a.m. if the storms are not too bad in the Philippines, or maybe 11. You want to sign us off,
Yes.
Miss Emma? Miss Emma, you have the floor.
Okay, well, thank you so much for watching us on paper trading today. If you are interested to learn and start trading, please contact me at 877-587-4540. And we're gonna teach you day by day. We're gonna do the mentoring, coaching on how to do the trading and learn and trade your own real money and get the role begin to get the the learning on the trading program. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow for another learnings. God bless.
Oh, all right.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 pillars of wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with Tradingview, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 pillars of wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.